Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Learning Key. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Today, we have a special episode for you.
Yes, David and I will act as a couple on a date. You'll hear how we speak in a real life situation.
This episode will help you with listening and speaking skills. We will keep the language simple and clear.
So let's begin our date. Hi, David. I'm happy to see you tonight.
Hi, Anna. I'm happy too. You look lovely.
Thank you. This place is nice. I like the lights here.
Yes, it feels calm and warm. Perfect for a date.
I agree. So, what do you want to drink?
Maybe a glass of red wine. What about you?
I think I will try the strawberry lemonade. It sounds sweet.
Good choice. I like lemonade too, especially in summer.
Yes, it's refreshing.
I feel relaxed here with you.
Me too. It's nice to forget about work sometimes.
Yes, we need moments like this to rest and enjoy.
What do you usually do to relax after a busy day?
I like to listen to music or read a book. Sometimes I go for a walk in the park.
That sounds nice. I like walks too. It helps me think clearly.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy soft pop music and sometimes classical music.
Classical music is relaxing. I like jazz music the most.
Jazz? That is interesting. I haven't listened to much jazz before.
You should try it sometime. It has a smooth and cool sound.
I will. Maybe you can share some songs with me.
Sure. And maybe you can teach me some of your favorite songs too.
It's a deal. I have a small family, just my parents and a younger brother.
That's nice. Do you see them often?
Yes, every weekend. We usually have lunch or dinner together.
Family meals are important. They help us stay close.
Exactly. What about you?
I have a big family. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother.
Wow, that must be fun and noisy sometimes.
Yes, but I love it. We are very close.
That's wonderful.
Anna, I want to know more about your hobbies.
Well, I like painting and drawing. It helps me relax and express myself.
That's amazing. What do you like to paint?
I like painting nature scenes like trees, mountains, and lakes.
I wish I could paint. I'm not good at it.
It's okay. You can learn if you want.
Maybe I should try one day.
You will enjoy it, I'm sure.
I like sports. My favorite sport is football.
Football is exciting. Do you play in a team?
Yes, I play with my friends every Saturday.
That's great. It's good to be active and healthy.
Yes, and it's also fun. What about you? Do you play any sports?
I like swimming. It is good exercise and very relaxing.
Swimming is great. I like it too, but I don't swim often.
You should go more. It's good for your body and mind.
Have you traveled to many places?
I have traveled to some countries. My favorite trip was to Spain.
Spain is beautiful. What did you like there?
The food was amazing and the people were very friendly.
I love Spanish food, especially paella.
Yes, paella was delicious. Also, I liked the beaches in Spain.
Beaches are great for relaxing. I like the sea very much.
Me too. There is something peaceful about the ocean.
I want to travel more. Maybe next year I will visit Australia.
That sounds exciting. I hope you enjoy your trip. David, what do you do for work?
I am an English teacher. I teach adults and children.
That's perfect. You can teach me some new English phrases.
Sure, I will help you improve your English.
Thank you. I want to speak English fluently.
Practice is the key. Speaking with others is the best way.
I agree. Talking with you helps me practice a lot.
What is your favorite English word or phrase?
I like the phrase, take it easy. It means don't worry or relax.
That's a good phrase. I like keep going. It means don't stop and continue trying.
Both phrases are very positive.
Yes, positive words help us stay motivated.
I enjoy cooking. I like trying new recipes.
What is your favorite dish to cook?
I like making pasta dishes. They're easy and tasty.
Pasta is delicious. I like cooking soups.
Soup is healthy and warm, good for cold days.
Yes, especially vegetable soup.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I visit my family or meet my friends. Sometimes I watch movies.
I like watching movies too. I like romantic and comedy movies. What kind of movies do you enjoy?
I prefer action and adventure movies.
Maybe we can watch a movie together sometime.
That would be fun. Anna, do you like pets?
Yes, I love animals. I have a cat at home.
Cats are cute. I have a dog.
Dogs are friendly and loyal.
Yes, they are great companions.
What is your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Max is a good name.
Have you ever tried learning another language?
Yes, I tried learning French.
How was it?
It was difficult, but I liked the sound of the language.
I want to learn French too one day.
You can practice together if you want.
That sounds like a good plan.
What is your favorite season?
I like autumn. The weather is cool and the leaves change color.
I like spring. Flowers bloom and the weather gets warmer.
Both seasons are beautiful.
Yes, nature is amazing in every season.
What is your dream job?
I want to work as a graphic designer.
That is creative work.
Yes, I like making art and designs on a computer.
I'm sure you will do well.
Thank you, David. What about you?
I want to become a writer one day.
That's wonderful. What kind of books do you want to write?
I like stories about adventure and friendship.
What do you do when you feel sad?
I like to go for a walk or play sports when I feel sad.
Exercise helps release stress. I listen to music or talk to my friends.
That is good. Talking helps a lot.
Yes, it feels better to share your feelings. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read a lot.
What is your favorite book?
I like The Little Prince. It has a simple but deep story.
I read that book too. It teaches us about love and friendship.
Exactly. Anna, do you believe in luck?
I think hard work is more important than luck.
I agree, but sometimes luck helps us too.
Yes, a little luck can make life easier.
We should work hard and hope for good luck.
What do you want to learn this year?
I want to learn to play the guitar.
That's great. Music is wonderful.
What about you?
I want to improve my English speaking skills.
You are already doing well. Keep practicing.
Do you like surprises?
I like to surprise my friends sometimes.
Surprises make life more exciting. David, what is your favorite place in the city?
I like the old park near the river. It is quiet and beautiful.
That sounds lovely. I like the city library.
Libraries are peaceful and full of knowledge.
Yes, I often go there to read and study.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I like the city because there are many things to do.
I prefer the countryside. I like nature and quiet.
Both places have their own beauty. David, what is your favorite color?
I like blue. It reminds me of the sky and the sea.
Blue is calming. I like green.
Green is the color of nature. Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing. It is fun and good exercise.
Me too. Maybe we can dance together next time.
I would love that. David, what is your favorite holiday?
I like Christmas. The lights and the spirit of giving are special.
Christmas is magical. I also like New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve is a time for new beginnings.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I like writing in my journal.
Writing helps us understand our feelings.
Yes, it is like talking to yourself.
David, what is the best advice you have ever received?
To always be kind to others.
That is good advice. Kindness makes the world better.
Anna, do you like watching sports?
Sometimes I like watching football games with friends.
Football is exciting. I love watching matches.
David, what do you want to do in the future?
I want to travel the world and write stories.
That sounds wonderful. I hope you achieve your dreams.
I am very happy to spend this evening with you.
Me too, David. Thank you for a lovely date.
Let's meet again soon.
Yes, I would love that.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to English Learning Key.
Practice speaking English every day. It helps you improve.
See you next time.
Bye.